Hi everyone, I'm Ruby, and today I'm going to show you how to extract data from your images using our super simple converter tool. Before starting, please sign up your free account first. Link in the description. First, from the dashboard, navigate to the data extraction page. This is where you'll create and manage your projects. I recommend creating one project per document type. This keeps everything organized and ensures better extraction accuracy. Next, let's click Add Project right here. Okay, now you're going to fill in some info about your project. Finally, let's upload your first document to start extracting. Now, simply click Extract Now to start the extraction. If you just extract one document, you will see the result board right away, like this. If you upload many at once, you will see the project board. Just wait for it to complete the extraction, and there we go, your results are ready. Okay, so from here, you're going to see two different extraction methods. First, we have table extraction. This one's specially designed for pulling data from tables, structured data like rows and columns in your image. And also, you can actually edit this data right here in the interface. Second, we have document extraction. This one goes all in and extracts all the data from your entire document, formatted in a nice, structured way. Once you're happy with the data, you can quickly copy it by clicking this copy button, then just paste it directly into, your Google Sheets. Or if you prefer to download, this tool offers these 4 output formats. However, for document extraction, Excel isn't available. When you're all done, click Confirm to finalize everything. When click back, you will see the result lists in your project. You can quickly download the results by clicking on the format you want right here. Finally, look at the right on the top, you'll see your credits update. It's your free image extractions left. If you use it up, go to Pricing and Plans page, choose to subscription or pay as you go. If you want to integrate this tool into your own apps or workflows, you can grab a free API key. To get your free API key, click over to the API page right here in the menu. Once you're there, enter a key name. Then, choose how long you want this key to last from the Expires In options. Now, simply click Generate Key. The system will create a unique API key for you, and all you have to do is click this copy button to grab it. Just make sure you read the API documentation carefully before you start coding. And that's it. If you have any questions, just drop a comment below or contact our support. I'm Ruby, and see you in our next video.